Hello and welcome to my channel once again. A couple of weeks ago, I had given you an unboxing of Yongnuo YN200 bare bulb flash. Now, I was so impressed by that flash that I have ordered yet another one online, and now I will be doing unboxing of the second unit of my bare bulb Yongnuo YN200. Let us see what comes out of this. This is the similar one, or the package has got something different. Oh, nice. From the external appearance, the box is looking to be the similar one. I believe that the package has got the same thing contained within this. Wow. So this is the Speedlight kit, as this is saying. Apparently it looks to be the same. I believe that the contents are also the same. Oh, this is the literature that is there inside this. Yeah. Oh wow, absolutely the same package. This is the light body. This is the bare bulb contained within this pack. This is the wonderful reflector. I have utilized it and I'll be showing it shortly to you. This is the charging cable with the Type-C port. This is the battery and the charger. The battery is sealed. Yes. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. The review for this will be shown very shortly. Thank you so much.